Hello students of class 6. I am Shikha, your computer teacher. Student, today we will solve the question answer of lesson 2nd. Very short answer type questions. Question 1. Which folder of Windows operating system enables users to view and control various functions of the computer? The answer is control panel. Question 2. How many categories of tools and commands are there in the control panel category view? The answer is 8 categories. And question 3. Which applet of control panel helps you to control and manage how your desktop and other Windows features look and behave? The answer is personalization. Question 4. Name a desktop gadget which needs active internet connection for proper operation. The answer is currency. Question 5. Identify the desktop gadget in Windows 7 which enables you to read the latest news headlines. The answer is feed headlines. Now students, we will solve the short answer type question. The question 1 is write a step to open the control panel. Answer first is to open control panel, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the start button. Step 2. Click on the control panel button. This opens the control panel window on your screen. The answer 1 is complete. Question 2. Which Windows 7 features can you personalize? Answer second is we can personalize the desktop features of Windows 7. Question 3. Explain the different views of the control panel window. Short answer 3rd is the control panel offers 3 different views. Number 1, category views. In this view, the tools and commands are grouped under 8 categories. Number 2, large icon views. In this view, individual tools are displayed as a list of large icons. Number 3, small icon views. In this view, individual tools are displayed as a list of small icons. Question 4. Differentiate between repeat delay and repeat rate of a keyboard. The answer 4 is the time after which the key will start repeating to type itself is called the repeat delay, while the number of characters typed within a second is called repeat rate. The answer 4 has completed. Question 5. How can you add the calendar gadget to your desktop? The answer 5 is we can double click on that calendar gadget to add it to our desktop. So student, your short answer has completed. Now we will do the long answer type questions. Question 1. Explain pointer option tab in the mouse properties window. The long answer first is this tab allows us to adjust motion, default positions and visibility properties of mouse pointer. Adjusting mouse speed. We can make the mouse move slower or faster by adjusting the speed slider. Adjusting mouse precision. The mouse pointer generally does not move as fast as our hand. To accelerate this movement, select the Enhance Pointer Precision checkbox. Auto Position Mouse Pointer. When we open a dialog box, the mouse pointer does not point automatically to a button. We have to move the mouse onto a button and then click on it for the action. Displaying the mouse pointer trail. When we move the mouse, we may want to see a trail. A trail displays the previous positions of the mouse pointer. Students, your long answer first has completed. Question 2. How can you change the date and time of your computer system? Long answer second is, to change date and time, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the change date and time button. This command opens the date and time setting dialog box. Step 2. Select the right date from the calendar. We can scroll the calendar to select different months and years. We can make changes in this format by clicking on change calendar settings. We can also change time by moving the spin button on the clock or by typing the value in the box. Step 3. Click on OK after changing the date and time. Student, your long answer second has completed. Student, you will also draw the diagram, the date and time setting dialog box from your book. Long question 5 is, name and explain the functions of any 5 desktop gadgets in Windows 7. Answer 5 is, the functions of any 5 desktop gadgets in Windows 7. Number 1. Calendar displays date, month and year on your desktop in 2 views, date flipper and date and month flipper. Number 2. Clock shows time in your own time zone or any city in the world. Number 3. CPU meter displays uses of much are the CPU and RAM. Number 4. Currency displays equivalent of one currency to those of other currencies. Requires active internet connection for its useful operations. Number 5. Feed headlines displays current and updated news and blogs distributed by various websites. Requires active internet connection for proper operation. So students, your long answer 5 has completed. Write down all these work on your notebooks.